trick or treat?
How about treat?
Aw, man, I tried to trick ya.
Ah, you wanted to trick me? Well, we're gonna make some treats today. This is a well-balanced snack that contains fruits, protein, and fiber. I'm gonna start with an apple and cut it right down the middle. All right, and then we're just gonna cut that in half. Okay, now we're gonna make a little hole, like the cavity for his mouth. And all you're really doing is just cutting like a triangle right in the middle. Next, we're gonna take our protein, which is what? Your favorite?
Peanut butter.
And if you're allergic to peanut butter, you guys can use whatever substitute you need to. All right, next we're gonna make the tongue. What would be cool to use a tongue?
Strawberries.
Yes, let's do that. Perfect. Next is teeth. We're gonna put the sunflower seeds all around the mouth to look like teeth. Okay, so now our little creepy apple guys have to see, right? So we have blueberries. Dip it right into the peanut butter so it will glue your eye down. Oh, how cute. These were so much fun to make, and I encourage you to get together and make these with your family because they're so fun. Get all the kids together, and I hope you have a safe Halloween.
And now I'm gonna go eat this.
Where'd you go?
Here are a few trick-or-treat safety tips. Always have an adult take you around the neighborhood. Have your mommy and daddy inspect your candy to make sure it's safe to eat and that it doesn't contain anything you might be allergic to. Carry a flashlight or a glow stick for you trick-or-treaters to stay safe.